Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we will learn another Chinese character related to direction and position. Its pronunciation is xia. Do you still remember the character we learned before? It is sheng. It means up or above. It can also describe an upward movement, like going from a lower place to a higher one, and it can refer to a higher level, rank, or quality. The character xia is the opposite of sheng. It means down or below. Besides showing the downward direction, it also describes a movement from a higher place to a lower one, and sometimes it refers to something of lower rank or level. Just like sheng, the character xia is widely used in Chinese and forms many different words with various meanings. Of course, we don't have time to cover them all here, so let's look at a few typical examples. For example, 楼下 means downstairs. 下面 means under or below something. Here, 下 indicates a position lower than something. 下山 means to go down the mountain. 下车 means to get off a vehicle. In these words, 下 represents a downward action, moving from a higher place to a lower one. 下品 means inferior quality. Here, 下 describes a lower level or a less desirable quality. Don't rush to leave. Next, we're going to learn about the origin of this character. In the earliest oracle bone script, similar to sheng, ancient people drew two lines, a long curved line and a shorter one, to represent the sky and the earth, using this symbol to express the concept of down. Over time, it evolved into a form with one vertical line and one horizontal line, and eventually became the modern character we see today. Let's practice reading this character together. 下 下 下. The character xia is a single component character made up of 3 strokes, a horizontal line, a vertical line, and a dot. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's write it stroke by stroke. First, draw a long horizontal line near the top of the writing grid. Then, from the middle of that line, draw a long vertical stroke downward. Finally, add a small dot in the middle of the vertical stroke. It's written from the upper left to the lower right, not as a short horizontal line. There you go. Now you can write a perfect xia. Keep these key points in mind and make sure yours doesn't look like any of these incorrect examples. Many words that use xia can be turned into their opposite meanings simply by replacing sheng with xia. For example, 上班 means to go to work. 下班 means to finish work. 上山 means to go up the mountain. 下山 means to go down the mountain. 桌上 means on the table. 桌下 means under the table. 上品 means high quality. 下品 means low quality. Isn't that interesting? Let's try this example together. 上级 means a superior at work. Now we replace sheng with xia, and we get this word, 下级. Can you guess what this word means? Yes, 下级 means a subordinate. Did you guess it correctly? If you enjoy my explanation, please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me and keeps me motivated. In this channel, I'll make learning Chinese characters more fun by adding some interesting stories and examples. So join us, take it step by step, and you'll master more Chinese characters one by one.